relax. Relax, now ghetto with day, no be rush.
Know the truth, eh? I want to join big boys now. I follow this shit. Make I dey get small respect for area here now. They don't to insult me, oh. They don't to insult me.
Guy, you are sure? What's happening now?
Guy, see your back, look your back.
Bobby, what's up now?
What's the talk with that guy?
And a normal thing, I just forget that one. So what's up you now?
I'm cool just like that.
Bobby, how far that stuff now?
Nigga, calm down. I'm still making use of it. I know the police are all over the neighborhood.
See, guy, I know that one. I know.
That is why I'm being extra careful. I don't want any shit.
But Bobby, she know we had an agreement. And we start something now.
Don't worry, I'll bring your stuff back for you.
You know how the shit goes.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Go down. Sit up, they are gone.
How did you find me?
How did I find you? I'm your father, okay? I have my eyes on you and I have my boys everywhere. Understand?
I did not ask for your help.
Dave, don't be stubborn. Because if I don't grab you enter this motor, police will don't grab you by now. You didn't hear me?
I can always take care of myself and I know it.
Oh, really? Listen, I'm your dad, so it's my responsibility to look out for you.
Forget it. You don't care about your family.
Oh, really? I don't care about my family. So why did I risk myself to come and help you out from the police? Why? If I don't care about you, why did I have to take all the risk to save you from the police?
Look, I want your lyrics coming out from nowhere and come out like you care, like you're some good dad or something.
Listen, Dave. Listen to me, Dave. I am a good father and you know it. And I care about you. You know that, don't you?
No, I know nothing of that nature. All I know about you is that you left your wife and your 2 children at home to suffer.
What's that? Is that what your mom told you? Eh? Now the wrong information what she dey feed you with that, Abi? Listen to me. Everything you're suffering today is her fault. It was all her fault. That stupid and stubborn woman.
Stop talking about my mom like that.
It's alright, sit up, they're gone.
I say stop acting like you care. I need to get down here now.
Stop talking to me like that. I'm your father.
I said I need to get down now.
What is wrong with you?
I said pull up this car. I said I need to get down.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Get out, if that's what you desire. Out! So just because I'm locked out for a while, when I go begin perform for club, that shootout with those chicken dogs was totally uncalled for.
See, it wasn't like that. When we...
I said low profile before traveling. So why the drama? In a club?
It wasn't at the nightclub. It was done right there at the bar.
If you like, maybe for church. Even if not pastor house. Why the shootout? In a club? And I said low profile before I traveled.
See, man, baby black. I know saying a rumor where you don't hear. That make you the vex like this because you know the vex. No mind people. How many people will kill? Not only 4 people will kill. The video they go blow rumor now, so we don't kill 15, 20. No mind them, no be like that here happen. No. We got to the bar to go and drink. Wanted to enter the VIP section, only for one idiot that called himself a bouncer to tell us that Cardinal and his guys were there, that they paid for the VIP lounge that we can't come in. That's a fuck up now. You said no now. That would be Blackwood now. So we're supposed to let them know so we come. That's what we did. That's all. That's all.
You should have walked out maturely and give them home killing one by one.
Unto only me, when knock Ashawu, freak ball, freak pie, freak ball, freak pie, freak ball, freak pie. Ashawu believed the whole neighborhood confirmed. They would have thought we were running away from the battlefront, so we had to hit them. That's what happened.
Running away doesn't make you a weakling. Running away doesn't mean that you are afraid. You should have walked out maturely and give them home killing one by one. I don't want such nonsense to repeat itself again. I repeat, I don't want such nonsense to repeat itself again. Back to business. Bashman, you were in charge of my warehouse. Why did you allow those chicken dogs to penetrate and fuck my business?
Boss, they came in dressed like policemen. We were completely fooled.
They came in dressed like policemen. Waiting concerned police with Miracle Center. If you open fire once you see police uniform.
Of course, we did try our best, but unfortunately, we were outnumbered.
You should have called for backup. Boys, their background normally.
Who has been selling us out to the police and the black woman? Speak to me!
I don't know. I've said nothing to anyone.
You are a bloody snitch. Informant.
I've stayed true to the Banga crew and have not broken our oath of silence.
The gospel truth is that you are a betting liar! You don't want to tell me the truth, right? Okay. I think this will make you speak faster. Make you speak faster. I am the father! You tell me the truth. Are you ready to tell me your contact with the police and Black Hood? Are you ready now? I am the father that fathered you. Tell me the truth.
I can't betray the Banga crew. I can't sell out.
Okay. We will see.
It's okay. I'll take you from here. The police says that 2 girls were involved. Who is the second girl?
A new recruit. I was given orientation on how we operate.
A new recruit that you were given orientation on how to operate. On how to operate on sex or fucking you. Which? So you carry a shower, your boho, enter my business. And I'm sure you guys were busy making love, kissing and hugging. That was why you lost focus.
It's not like that, boss. I thought we needed more hands.
My men went down. I lost my stuff. My cousin died. Just because of your stupidity.
I'm sorry.
Women and children can be careless, not real men.
It's not gonna happen again.
Of course it won't happen again.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, sir. Don't kill me.
Postman, calm down. Calm down now. If to say you did yourself, you say for confirm. For check and balance the equation. You know easy at all. We tried all our best. Please, Postman, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Bossman, please don't kill me. I mean, keep us.
BB 10 verse 10. Take it as you see it.
Please don't kill me.
Alright. I will kill you.
Spare me this once, Bossman, please.
You turn yourself to replacement dyer. And never reach 30 minutes when you eat finish. Next say it's your last lunch I've been out with the color. Many money more.
Please, don't kill me.
Baby Black. How far with this one now?
Free him. Dalama, clean this mess. Mamba, take me out of here. Let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Cardinal. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe you're paying me back in my own coin. Because you have been trained to be silent, no matter the pain. But you know what? I'm a guy who likes to show mercy to the people he's protecting. And if you will permit me, I'll show you mercy. All I want is the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. And God will help you out of this place. So speak to me, I'm listening.
I've told you all the truth. I'm not a snitch.
Tell the boys to take his body out and let them see. And let it serve as a warning to everyone who's a snitch in the Bangas family. This is what will happen to them.
No white, no flags. The war has just begun. The war has just begun!
Mom, hey, I'm doing well, my son. This way you're joining me this hot afternoon. Mama, I just came to check up on you now. Or can't I come in? You're most welcome, my dear. Oh, Mom, that's very nice of you. Mama, how is market now? Market is very dry. They said it's because of the dollar ever increasing value over the naira. Mama, you think concern Onyeka Owenu with the Brazilian head? What does that mean? What does that mean? Mama, what I mean is that dollar cannot affect this business. Planting business and dollar. Well, that's what everybody's saying now.
Mama, dollar can only affect foreign trade and not planting business.
No, I don't know. All I know is that it's very bad. It's seriously affecting our business. Do you know that since morning I haven't sold anything? Not even one coconut, broom or plantain. I have not sold. It's affecting my business. Maybe it's because this plantain are brought from across the border. But I'm not finding it funny. I've not sold anything. Hey, God. Wow. What's that?
Mama, I told you to school fees.
Where did you get that kind of money?
From my work, of course.
David, your work? Where is this your workplace? That's always giving you so much money. If you don't come home with money, you come home with food. You come home with one thing or the other. Are you the only one working? I will not take that money. Remember, I can't take it.
Mama, look, Ogechi must not drop out of school like me. I had to work out to bring this kind of money.
I don't want Ogechi to drop from school. But that money is too much. It's too much for a small boy like you. No. I won't take that money. No.
Mama, this is Ogechi school fees.
David! Come back here! Come back here, David! Come back here! David! David, come back here! Hey! All this money? For a small boy like that?
Alright, I go. Alright.
Only an angel will blindfold the hard man and still will be standing.
Oh, I see. So you're a hard man.
Like that, that's true.
In what sense is it?
You won't understand, the angel.
I won't understand that you still run the streets.
No, I don't run the streets. I run through the streets to keep my game through the street.
I think you have to stay true to what we have for each other.
Angel, I stay true to the love we share.
Baby, let's go inside.
No, I'm fine.
Baby, what is the matter with you?
Angel, you won't understand. I'm just here watching the stars for safety.
If I were you, I would say I'm worried over the problem on the street. Not saying you're here staring at the star.
Angel is more complicated. You won't understand.
Baby, please, let's go in.
No, we're just going to do soon, okay?
I can't go in without.
Angel, please go. I'm coming, okay?
Let's go. I think I know what the problem is.
What?
Your boys are having problem with the Banga crew, and it's been affecting your operation. With the police sniffing around, they could come up with something.
Who told you that?
Baby, we are in the information age. I have access to terrestrial TV, internet, and...
So you believe the media? You believe the lies they spread?
Baby, I want you to give up the game and go into a legitimate business venture.
The business I do is legit, okay? Stop sounding like I'm the devil. A person be Boko Haram.
Baby, I don't want anything to happen to you. There is too much bloodshed on the street.
Angel, I'm not responsible for those bloods shed on the street. Jealousy, rivalry, breeds murder.
Baby, please, I'm begging. See, my half-brother used to be a tough gangster. But he gave up the game and went into a legitimate business. And today he's doing well.
Good for him. How come you never mentioned him?
His story is not too pleasant to the ear, so I hardly discuss him. But he left the game and made a good guy out of himself.
Angel, I will do something about it, okay? Can we just go in?
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Nothing is happening on this street, though.
The street seemed too dull for my liking today.
No movement, no runnings. Okay? It seems that these bad boys, they have gone on sabbatical.
They better remain on their sabbatical because any one of them I catch, I'm shoot to kill. This nonsense must stop.
Okay, that will amount to extrajudicial killings.
It will actually amount to saving the life of men and officers of the Nigerian police.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are we not making progress in this case?
You know, gang members do not cooperate with the police. Nobody is ready to give evidence.
Okay, it is deadlock. And why is it that we're meeting dead ends?
We're still saying the same thing. You see, the general public, sir, they are not ready to cooperate. Nobody is ready to give evidence because they are afraid that they might get killed. Witnesses get killed in situations like this.
So it is deadlock. So there will not be any impact on this, so
unless we start taking them out one by one. Anyone we catch with a gun, we'll take him out immediately, and that'll be the end of it.
Okay, that policy is dangerous and mean.
But you know, the street itself is even more dangerous with those bad boys out there. Can't you see that?
Okay, no movement yet, though.
But nonetheless, we'll keep watch.
Alright?
We'll keep watch.
You know, sir, they dance if I they shoot. Eh?
Just in case.
Man, it's
okay.
Customer. Oh, no. 100 naira. It's good, well. Okay. No, okay, give me this one. What are they inside where you go like them? It's sweet.
You sure say this one
it's sweet. No, customer, shake am. The water dey.
Water no dey.
You know shake am well. Turn on this side, you go shake. Thank you, customer. This your hair fine, no?
So na ghetto hair.
If I know.
Bye bye.
Bye, yo. Come back tomorrow.
I don't want to come. Money no dey.
I see him. My son, what brings you to the market today?
Nothing, no. Just came to hang out with you.
Yeah, chai. That's nice. No work today?
Mama, on break.
That reminds me. When will you take me to this your workplace? I've been a hustle place. I would like to go there.
Mama, hustle, work, all join. Mama, see, I'll just inform my boss, then you can come.
Okay. My son, I have this problem that has been bothering me since. 2 customers came here to buy plantain and coconuts. And after buying, they leave money and the things they bought. If I try to stop them, they will tell me they are coming back. But they never do. Eh? I don't want police to come and carry me. Oh. I called them. I personally called them. But they did not answer me.
Eh? Mama, it's a miracle. Mama, look, it's God's own way of taking care of you without you knowing it. This thing is a miracle directly from God.
Don't even say that. What do you mean? I am telling you that they left the things they bought and their money and never came back. And you're here telling me it's a miracle. How is that a miracle?
Okay, Mama, let me ask you. How else does miracle happen? Eh? I'm telling you that this is a miracle, yet you don't want to accept it that it's a miracle. God has just blessed you and you don't know it. These people, they might be angels sent from God at your point of need. Eh?
My son, all I know is that they will come back. I don't want to be a party to that kind of crime at all. You're a small boy. You don't understand what the implication will be when it comes. Eh? Please don't say that.
Mama, wait no more. God works in mysterious ways, okay?
No, Mba. Don't say that. I don't want that kind of miracle. Eh?
then, you said you still need to watch your own back before you hurt yourself, man.
You know what? Me will do my front. Me will do my back. I shout them.
Find him. Search for him. Fish him.
Dave, get down. I said get down now.
This is not a good place for me to be seen with the police.
Meaning what? Eh? The police is antichrist or HIV?
I didn't mean that.
Now, since you don't have any information to give us, and we cannot detain you, just get down.
Boski, see, this is not good now, eh? See, this place is a system area now. Abi, you want me to detain so I don't collaborate with police?
Alright, in that case, just tell us what we want to hear. See, this boy, whether David or waiting be your name, if I dey shoot at the dance, begin tell us what you want here now.
But I told you guys that I have nothing, eh? I don't have anything to tell you.
Now get down before I splash your brain on that back seat. Take him down. Now come on here. Come on here. And this is my card. You can call me when you want to talk.
Okay.
Yes.
You know why I stop here? I said, I ask you, what we did there, is it right?
You know, if that young man is in the game, then he will have problems. But if he's not, then he's good.
Okay, I see as people they look am as guys, then they look up for that neighborhood, then they watch us in the waka.
You know, if really he's in the game, he will run to us for protection. Then he will give us the information we need.
Okay, they get bad feeling, oh.
Now, just forget that, forget it. Wait, let me see. There's a text here. Can you imagine? Just take a look.
Hey, okay, another massacre. Abandoned school home.
Hi.
Okay, I told you. I say make you leave this room when they take the hand kill yourself.
Oh, wow.
You just don't worry.
But this is too much now. You know what? Let's just go there to fulfill our statutory duties. Let's go there.
I go dey waka slow. Wire. Be there. I never want die.
How can baby black leave this kind of beauty and go for that my ugly friend? Oh, this guy does not know what he's missing at all. Wait. Come to think of it. Why would Angel have him and not me? This life is so unfair. This life is so unfair.
Hello, son. How you doing?
Dad, what do you want from me?
I don't like the way you talk to me.
I said, what do you want from me? Just tell me and stop bitching.
You see, this is the exact reason I don't like contacting you.
The same reason why I don't ever feel like I have a dad.
What are you talking about?
When last did you check on your family? Ogechi is in school. Do you even know how much a school fees is? You ever wonder how we feel?
Well, you guys have decided to take sides with your stupid mom.
Don't ever talk like that about my mom. Or I'll never pick your calls again.
I see you've grown wings. You've really grown wings. I can see the streets is really doing something bad to your system.
You left us on the street.
Right?
What do you expect?
I see. Anyway. The reason I called you is this. I hear the neighborhood is becoming more dangerous by the day. So I want you to stay off the street. Okay?
Yeah, the Blackwood guys and the Bangers crew are hitting up the streets.
Exactly. So I want you to stay off the street.
I'm keeping up.
Keep off the street until everything is over.
Then how do we survive? I mean, without me out in the streets, how do we survive?
The Lord will supply all your needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus.
That's so fucked up of you. Bye.
Listen, son. Lay low, okay?
This one was shot at place. Let's go to the backyard and see the guy there. Let's go do the room.
This one was shot at a very close range. The bullet went through and through.
Sir, the closeness here means one thing.
What does it mean?
Our victim here knows the shooter, or the shooter tricked him and got so close.
You are right. That means we should be looking for someone close to the crew.
It's possible, sir.
Let's take round.
Okay, sir.
That was all I saw.
Who do you think could have carried out the attack?
Officer, seriously, I don't know anything about this. Count me out. I don't know anything.
How many of them?
So you have come again. How many times will I tell you? I said I don't know anything about this. I've told your men. I didn't see much. I was here and the attack took place in the main building.
So where is your boss now?
Officer, boss again. I don't know anything about any boss. I'm just a neutral guy. I just stay here. I don't know anything about the boss when they ask me, so I don't know anything.
But where was he during the attack?
Officer, seriously, if I know anything about this thing, I will tell you. I'm not going to hide anything for you now. I don't know anything now. I'm just a neutral man. Just stay here and do things on my own way.
Okay. Do you think your boss knew about this impending attack and decided to leave?
Officer, this is your question. You don't big past me. You don't big past. I don't understand you. I don't know anything now.
Fuck! Do you even know anything? How even sure your name is Patrick?
Accepted, officer. I don't go to school now. My head get blank. Why they disturb me with all this question? I don't know anything.
That's alright. It's okay. Are you in contact with him?
I don't have phone. I don't get phone. When they talk about contacts, not be phone they will get person contact. I don't get phone now.
Corporal.
Sir.
Go inside. Call Inspector Kelechi and Raf for me.
Yes, sir.
Black.
Yeah, bro. The guys knew we were coming.
What do you mean?
When we reach that place, so they don't clear everything, you know. They clear the whole place.
So, you didn't get that dickhead?
You know the other thing that they talk? I said when we reach there, they don't clear the whole place. Let's say we catch person for there. Trust me now, Black Mamba. If I don't hear breaking news now,
what of our stuff?
Merchandise. The blessing know the everything that they clear you. They reason me now. Before we reach the place, they don't clear the whole place. We only wasted our time and resources. That's it.
Cardinal is a big fool. Cardinal, you're a bloody bastard. Cardinal, you've beaten more than you can chew. And I will tell you that the street belongs to me. Listen, I want to hear his death news. I want to get the news of his obituary as fast as possible.
Well, I think he's lying low for now, or maybe out of town.
I don't care. Find him, search for him, fish him out, bury him alive.
Down a minor now.
I just want to hear his death news.
Now maybe Mamba now, trust me. A minor. As I follow the reason, so our boys they search everywhere. Clubs, bars, restaurants, hotels, everywhere for street.
I want to hear his obituary news.
They look for Cardinal. If they catch him,
Papa, for waiting.
Oh man, maybe the guy just wrong.
Cardinal. I will say the day we will get this guy on your permit me my position at 6 feet. 6 feet go be the guy portion. Even the next one at 6 feet being portion. Cardinal, mama, papa. I go make Cardinal understand say I see him one day phone water I go buy a school bag.
So
I go also make him understand say they know they use my drink tea. Cardinal, your mama, papa, your papa, mama. Make I pin that may not be like inside the echo in here. Cardinal, 6 feet now your portion. Your next word now your portion.
Hello?
yeah, hello Patrick.
Boss Cardinal,
Talk to me. What's the latest?
the cops are here.
What do they want?
The usual thing, of course. They are here asking stupid questions.
So what have you been telling them?
Nothing, of course.
Are you sure?
Yes, boss.
Alright.
I can't tell them shit.
Just keep an eye on them, okay?
You know, The police are not our friends.
Make sure you see everything they're doing wherever they're searching.
Yes, boss.
Hey, Patrick. Don't worry. Your reward is coming soon, okay?
Yes, boss.
You're going to be rewarded big time. Is that okay? Alright, I'll contact you later. But in case there is any emergency, just don't hesitate to call me. Use the secure channel. Alright?
No problem, boss. No problem.
Thank you. Alright. Take care of yourself. Be careful.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, Father. Yes? I just spoke to Patrick now. What am I hearing? They went to the family house. So what happened? They killed 3 guards and attracted the attention of the police to the family house. It's alright. The police won't find anything. Well, thank God nothing tangible was found. That's good. I do believe you know what this means, right? What is it? War. The war has been brought to our doorstep. We have to fight it to finish. And me be the father, we we father them. Shake it. Now you listen. I want you to prepare the boys for the final onslaught. I want the head of Baby Black on a platter. I am born to kill. Is that understood? It shall be done. I'll fire them. I smile when my enemies are about to be deleted.
Baby, there is never a day of good news on the street.
The street is military. And it's about to get ugly.
The game is always dirty. If only you could give up the game.
Listen. The game puts food on our table. The game pays our bills. The game is our life. The game is our only source of income. We can't live, we can't survive without the game.
Maybe I know. I think I told you about my half-brother who once ran a notorious gang in Ajigule. Today he's a respectable businessman.
You see that your brother for in pockets. My name is Baby Black, not your brother.
Okay. If you don't want to do it for me, do it for your unborn child.
Sorry?
Do it for this your unborn child.
Listen, no time for jokes, okay? What do you mean by this no child?
I'm going to be a father. I'm going to be a fucking father. Fucking father mood activated. Daddy loading.
You're gonna be a father and not a fucking father.
Whatever, man. Okay, I'll be a good father, a sweet father. Fine father, fine.
Oh, baby, thank you. I love you so much.
Love you more. Thanks for making me a real man.
And thank you for making me a real woman.
Why have you been hiding this from me?
Can't you see I just took the test today?
Father mood activated. Father loaded. Daddy loaded. Come here. BB 10 verse 10. Take it as you say it. But you know what? This calls for a massive celebration.
Yeah.
So call your friend, I'll call my friends. Let's fuck here up. It's about to get ugly here. Angel, what is it?
If I must give birth to this child, you have to give up the game. I can't bring a child into this world of yours, in this kind of gang violence.
Angel, listen. It's not easy, okay? It's not like I'm a bad person. I'm just trying to wrap up the gang operations and...
No. There is nothing to wrap up here. You have to leave the game entirely. You can get shot any moment from now. I don't want to be a single mother. God forbid.
Stop. Angel, listen. You know I love you so much. What you're asking for is too serious. It's not easy. Let me tell you, if I give up the game, I will be vulnerable to attacks.
Can you feel your child in my tummy?
Yes, I can.
Good. You have to give up the game if you must keep me.
Angel, you know I love you so much. It won't be easy. It's not going to be easy. Leaving the game will make me vulnerable to attacks.
Okay then. Then let's leave the country with your savings. We can go to another country and start up a new life, free of guns and drugs.
And leave the empire I built myself?
You have to do it for your baby, for the future, for you and for me.
Hey, it's my guy.
Bobby, my man.
God. What's up now?
What's up now? Deal.
How you doing?
Oh, good guy. What's up now? I've not been seeing you around these days.
Guy, I've been running around for something. Very important stuff. Not for you. I be no.
I know. All good now. Guy, I would like to see you talk when we just park.
You want to see me? So, nigga, what's up?
Guy, that stuff why I never reach me to return now.
Guy, I told you I'm still using it.
Oh, guy, we had a deal.
See, just calculate your money. Calculate your bar. You understand? Calculate your money. I go pay for the SSDs. Now for you. Why won't for my hand?
Bobby, I'm back. I'm not great. I need that stuff back. See, my handler is already asking me about this 9mm gun.
Guy, don't worry. Tomorrow I'll bring you the stuff with the due cash.
Bobby, she know who they talk about. And the Blackwood guys who, you know, say these people, no be people who they mess with like this. No, Casalana fear happen if I tell them say no one return this stuff.
My guy, not for you. Not for you. You never reach like that now. We still the reason one or why they carry you go another place. Not for you. You never reach like that. Just chill. You understand? I will give you the stuff with the money. I will give you the bar. Understand?
Okay, alright. How's the game on your side?
Man, game is tight. You understand? It's tight as always.
I'm gonna see you now. Small things.
Too much.
No for my hand.
The man, Davy.
No for my hand.
The man, Davy.
Tomorrow.
Too much.
Take care of yourself.
Too much. Hello, bros.
Hey, boy, Alpha, what do you have for me?
I've caught the informant.
You mean it?
Boss, it's Dave.
Eh?
He's working with the police and with the Blackwood boys.
Dave is a dead meat.
He's been monitoring you guys and be passing information to the police and the Blackwood guys.
Do you have enough evidence for this?
Boss, I have enough evidence.
Okay. Let's meet at Ishiri warehouse by 5 Make sure you come with something serious.
I'm always serious, boss. I'm always very serious.
That's how it be. Everyone of Baneligwe, Mkwagid in here no to go. Yeah, you.
Angel, you seem dull today. What's up?
Sunshine is not an everyday thing. Some days could be foggy.
So today is one of the foggy days. Is that why you're taking soft drink instead of alcohol?
I just don't feel like taking anything alcohol.
As in born again or what? Nee, please pack well. Tell me what's up. What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm okay.
One look at you tells that something is not right with you. What is it? Talk to me.
Okay. I'll tell you. I am pregnant for baby Black.
What? You're pregnant out of wedlock? And to make matters worse, you're pregnant for a confirmed bad boy. A drug lord.
Enough. Please, don't talk like that.
Angel, you have to abort this pregnancy. You cannot bring the offspring of a drug dealer into this world. He's a drug dealer.
For your information, we'll be traveling to Asaba, where I will stay and give birth to my child.
Abomination. This is an abomination. You're obviously running away with baby Black. Have you thought about this? Please. I don't think it's the best thing for you. Don't do anything that would jeopardize your future, please.
Don't worry about me, okay? I think I know what's best for me.
You know what's best for you?
Yes.
Okay. So, when are you guys leaving?
I can't say for now. But I'll keep you posted, okay? Okay.
If you say so.
Thanks for understanding me.
You're welcome. What a friend.
That's it. Play with
Come, wait. You know what the bicycle come today?
The best come?
Yes, now.
Yeah, give me one.
Bring money.
Give me one, I'll give you now. This boy safe, man. Take.
Maybe you stole me one conch.
More boy, I know hear you.
Maybe you stole me one conch now. Now what's your top down now? You just never top anything today now.
No vex, it's too red today.
Sure? No wow. Devo, you know some me have your own person. Maybe you stole me one now.
Guy, why you like to collect credit? Pay your money now.
When are the mood? I know the mood for you.
Leave that thing, no. Leave those goods. I'm telling you, leave those goods, so. Leave those goods, so. You've taken it to the station. What else do you want to do? You want to take these goods also? Leave it.
Yeah. Say, council people they beat your mother for Easter market.
Devo.
Come with it talk. Say this why sit there here. And they tell you say that they beat your mama, they carry market. It is it. Stay here, stay here. Stay here. They not carry your mama's market.
Devo, carry bottle, carry cutlass. Not to do you. I want to see you. Leave this bag. Leave this bag.
Africa, please.
Leave this. Leave this bag. When it comes about sickness.
Lizzie, what happened? Where's Mama?
I'm taking her to the station.
Who? Who took her to the station? Who did?
Let me have this bag. Leave this bag. I said leave this bag. Let me have the bag. Let me have.
Officer, please.
Touch her again and I'll bust your brain on this street.
What do you think you are doing?
Trying to stop you from violating the rights of these poor women.
Do you realize it's a big offense to obstruct government officials not to carry out their duties?
You tell your government that we don't care about them here in the ghetto because they don't see us as human.
Can't you see there's no sign of the government here? No jobs, no water, no roads. Only for you to come and harass these poor women.
See, please. You have to take it to the right government department. Not we. We are only messengers.
I don't give a damn about your government department. Just drop the things you collected from this woman and walk away your life. Oh wait, I'll shoot you.
Okay, fine. We give up. Madam, you can have your goods now. Carry your goods.
You tell your government that we don't need them here anymore. Even if they must come, it should be to help the masses, not to oppress them.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
Wait! My mother! Where is she?
Calm down. Just take it easy, don't worry. We'll release her. In fact, we will see her soon. Please, let's go.
Namio, you don't forget who I be? Me, Black Mamba. 7 seconds to kill, 7 seconds to resurrect. See, my clear your doubts. See, if be black with my cousin, try rubbish. Me, Black Mamba, I go invoke the first creed of the brotherhood. Guys, stay focused now. You know what snap picture?
Dave!
What happened to Dave?
Dave has been shot!
Shot!
What the fuck are you doing with my sister? Ewawa. Angel, do you know this fool?
He's my half-brother I've been telling you about.
Are you surprised? I thought you said he's now a repented businessman. I'm a businessman. And part of my business is to make sure that you go to your grave, you scumbag. Shit!
Take it as you see it.
Oh baby, you're welcome!
What's up, sugar? Wow, you look gorgeous. Guess what?
What?
Just guess.
Oh baby, no, I don't like guessing. Just tell me.
Alright? Your traveling papers don't show.
Are you kidding?
I swear down.
Baby, you are awesome! Thank you! Sorry. Oh my god.
Traveling tomorrow, yeah, we take road. Once we get to Ghana, we fly to Cape Town. From Cape Town to wherever you wish. Okay?
Baby, why traveling to Ghana by road?
Angel, we are traveling to Ghana by road because I can't use any airport for now. My picture fit dead their system. So let's do road for safety, okay?
Well, I think you're right. Sounds good. Okay, let me start packing my things right now.
No. Just pick few things, okay? Once we get to Cape Town, I will shop for you.
Yes, sir.
Unless I forget. Keep it to yourself. Tell nobody. Angela, I repeat. Tell nobody. Just keep it to yourself, okay? Okay?
Alright, problem.
Baby, can understand.
Take it as you see it.
I'm hungry. What do you have?
Oh, baby, the food is already. Sorry. Let's go to the island.
David, I called you here because of what happened this afternoon between you and those council officials.
Mama, I know that's the reason why you called me here.
Where did you get a gun from?
Mama, it wasn't the real gun. You see, Mama, when I saw the situation you women were in, I had to use the gun to threaten those council officials. And it worked.
Okay. Where is the gun?
I've returned it to the owner. It's no longer with me.
My son, please, I don't want you to ever, in this life, in the life to come, to ever do what you did today. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
Avoid associating with bad boys. Look at me. I am a poor, crippled woman. I can't even manage my situation. I'll stop more of managing more problems. I don't know why, for some reason, I'm having a bad feeling about you.
Mama, no now. Mama, you know I'm clean. I won't get into any trouble.
Okay. If you say so, I believe you.
Mama, he called me.
That good for nothing man. A man who never bothers if his family lives or dies. Why is he calling you now? Why is he calling my son? By the way, what did he say?
Nothing new. The thing he usually says when he calls.
Arinze is not ready to be a father to his children. Why? Why? Why did I go wrong? I've had enough trouble for the day. I don't even have energy to talk about such man. Go to bed. Go to bed, let's sleep.
Let me add this one to you. I need it.
If I add this one to the other one, it will make a 170k. So you know.
I know now. I'm not a dull boy now. You see, I'm already growing up to become a real man.
Well, Dave, I know, I believe you, but you need to still take them easy for this ghetto, man. You should understand. Take them easy. The way they rush things, I don't like them.
Guy, you can't... Ghetto. You cannot tell me to take it easy in this ghetto. You see, if you know see ghetto, no they smile. See ghetto like this, it be like hunger. No they look face.
I understand you. But you see, you're too young for this kind of runs now. You're very young for this. Even people way big pass, you know they do the kind of runs where they do. I don't understand. The kind of money they get, I don't understand them. Come to think of it, you don't even get enough. If you go start business with this kind of money where you don't get 170k, if you start your business, or you can even get yourself out of this ghetto.
Close. My father. Our bros no go fit understand.
Yeah. Your papa, I no go understand. What see your papa do? You fit tell me now. You don't trust me by now. Dave.
See my own papa leave us for ghetto. We'll die, we could suffer. You see me, Dave. I'm not gonna let your wish come to pass. That's why they raise this money. And I go raise this money, I go see to say my mama go stand up from that wheelchair. See, I had to drop out of school so that my younger sister could finish her education. But since my father has refused to become that man that's supposed to be there for us. Me. I'll become that man for my mother and my younger sister.
Steve, I understand you very well. But this na ghetto, you still need to take things softly. You need to take it easy. You know, say, ghetto rough. It's too rough. See, I have your back in this ghetto, but then, you still need to watch your own back before you hurt yourself, man.
You no worry. Me will do my front, me will do my back. I sharp die. I'm a sharp guy now.
You sharp die, sharp guy. Nothing to you, sir. Nothing. Bad guy.
our ball now. Bros, give us our ball. Bros, give us our ball.
Bros, give us our ball. We don't like him. Bros, waiting the worry now. You no go bring my ball. Now your own. Bros, give us our ball now. What's he even do you? Bros, waiting the worry now. You no go bring the ball. Now issue. You no go release the ball. Bros, give us our ball. What's he even do you say?
Bros, give us our ball, Joe.
Waiting the worry. You no go bring the ball. We dey talk. You sit down there. I can't take the ball.
Bros, give my ball now. Now you get ball. Let me get ball. I've been smoke ball. Show me son up.
No, father. With the father.
You know be the father with the father my ball. Carry my ball, give me a bag. Carry my ball, give me Madu.
Bros, give us our ball. Waiting happen. Give us our ball. Don't they play ball for fish. Can't collect ball. Just because of don't they beg you since. Give us our ball now. Bros, give us our ball. You smoke shit. And because of this Babalawo name tell you that for head, you think say we go fear you. Bros, give us our ball, Joe. This guy wahala do this one.
I never got to wipe. But your mind dey blow skunk at you. Dey blow skunk. Under sun dey blow skunk. No go release the ball.
Wetin say the warrior? Bros, give us our ball now. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Where they walk you?
Bros, just give us our ball. Chakai buria na. I don't can fit them. Titaya kai buria. Bros, say but I'm to go bottle. I'm gonna pay him for go.
You want make I shoot you?
Me I don't know wetin be your stress for you. Where they walk you? You dey play boy, can't collect ball. I be the chop ball too.
One guy.
Bros, give us our ball.
Bro, nganyeza ball like. Jai ball like I couple na.
Me I know they waste time. Me I'll do wetin dey my mind. Bros, give us our ball. Bros, give us our ball now. I be small ball.
Come on my side.
Don't make I come out abi.
Ma come out abi. Mla shita ko ga bo so.
More come out abi. For your mind, more come out. Okay now. More come by, go see wetin your eye go see.
No, you go see later. Ngwa cheze. Nna bia ya.
See how they dey like ball. Oba mutakiri na wome gbeka. Ishudore ebe kroba. Ishudore ebe ebu mawulema. Na me be father. Na me be father. Men I know say go school.
Inspector.
Yes, sir.
I'm not happy with your performance lately.
Sir, the situation out there is very terrible, sir.
And what is your duty? Your duty is to make sure things don't get out of hands.
Yes, sir. We're trying our best. We're making steady progress, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me see the progress you've made so far.
Sir, the truth remains that we've been meeting dead ends.
Is that supposed to be an excuse?
No, sir. It's not an excuse, sir.
So what have you been doing?
Sir, we've been making a steady progress and we're here to give you some progress report, sir.
That sounds good. I'm all ears.
Sir, we've been able to arrest 7 men.
And how many of them are the top men?
Just one, so far.
Just one person?
Yes, sir.
Just one? Just one? If we can't get the top men, we can't stop them. The big boss is what I need. I need those ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the head of the Bangas crew, who has been on the ground for a while now, we have intel that he's coming to town.
I hope you've made plans on how to capture him, dead or alive.
Yes, sir. We have a plan. It's actually a very watertight plan. Look at it.
This is not good enough! They're only good on papers. I need them to walk out!
Sir, it will work. We have been on ground already, monitoring and reporting.
And what have they reported so far?
Sir, you see, the head of the Black Hood boys is up to something sinister, based on the intel we have now.
How do you mean?
Sir, our contact at the immigration has it that the head of the Black Hood has acquired a new passport for himself and his girlfriend, which means he could leave the country.
Okay. Now, ensure he does not leave the country.
Yes, sir.
Notify all the airports or the borders, every officers. Leave no stone unturned. He must not leave this country. Although we don't have any evidence to arrest him yet, but we just can't allow him bail out on us. You know what I mean?
Sir, we have men already monitoring at the airport and we've notified all the borders. We're watching him. We'll get him, sir.
This time, I don't want any mess up.
Yes, sir.
I would love to see these guys down to hell.
Sir, taking them to hell is my ambition.
No. Your mission should be to take them to the deepest part of hell.
Yes, sir.
Now get out.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How much are the plantains?
It's 200 for one.
I need a very ripe one.
Very ripe.
Very ripe.
Okay, check the middle.
Help me, I beg. You know I'm
No problem, no problem. This is exactly what I want.
Eh, you will like it. It is very good for beans. Here.
Said it's just 200.
200 only.
Here. Don't worry, just keep the rest.
Hey! Dollars.
Yes, ma'am.
For one plantain.
Yes, ma'am.
Of 200.
You can just use the rest for anything, for your upkeep. Just keep the rest.
You think I don't know you? Eh? You think I don't know you? You think I don't know he sent you? Eh? Like father, like son. Criminal. You think I don't know he sent you? Eh? You want to give me blood money? People, come on! Come on! Police! Police! Annie! Vigilante, come! I have caught him as a criminal! You think I don't know? You Can you hear me? Okay. Baby Black is about to leave town. He's planning to leave town. Yes. Okay. Bye. Stupid girl that calls herself Angel. She's taking everything I deserve. Everything. And she's even pregnant for him. While I'm here running around with low-level drug pedals. She would not get away with this. I will make sure of that.
Hey guys, what's up now?
Hey, Devo! How far now? Long time. Why you dey since now? Just cast.
Oh my God, Jerry. I was doing things now, so just too busy.
My brother. My brother, why do you reject my track? Do you know when Mr. Death will come? Because it says in the book of Hebrews, chapter 9, verse 27, it is appointed unto man to die, and after death, judgment will follow.
Oga, see, don't be say I no respect God, I respect am wella. I respect am well. But the thing is, she understand wetin me at the pass through. Make I ask you, she understand wetin me at the pass through. What if I say understand? You understand wetin at the pass through? Oh, if you don't come down here, come help me. If you don't come down here, come help me. Mama no go there for that wheelchair where she dey now.
That's the reason why you need to give your life to Jesus. Because you don't know Mr. Death will come.
Guys, listen to me. Now me, black man body, 7 seconds to kill, 7 seconds to resurrect. See, you owe me 7 bullets and 1 jara. Making 8 bullets. I go kill you on Friday. I just want me to know. May not be that if you die finish, you don't know what kill you or who kill you. Tell your pastor or pope or anybody you want to tell in advance. God punish you. Useless people play mad. Made it try.
Baby, your
God punish them. Simona, listen to me. Only 2 families did this world. Our family and the rest. I no guess what, no go kill on our family. Our family they talk. How many people for a family don't go jail? We 97 over 100 go kill now. Get the blood now, or get it.
I'm worried. My woman is pregnant. I won't move her come out from this area. For safety.
See. Belen a good thing, you know. Belen a good thing. Congrats, bro. But what I don't understand is this. Why you won't carry your woman go trip? Why?
The street is no longer safe. I won't carry her go Ghana. Make she deal with her people. Till everything for streets normalize. For safety.
Baba, make you no be like say person like quarrel pass fight. Which one you dey carry your woman dey move away when you know say we are capable? We are fully armed. So I don't understand.
Rule number 1 when it comes to war. Take women and children away for safety.
Wow. Till now, na maybe black man bow. 7 seconds to kill, 7 seconds to resurrect. Now street will be now, the same blood now. This kind of thing they happen for our family now. Now street will grow, now street will go die. Why would they run? Why would they run?
Far from it. Nobody they run. For safety.
Okay, Baba. Make it no still be like say we like quarrel pass fight. You understand? If you go now, when you dey fall back?
I go take small. I would like make she settle down first. From there I go enter Liberia. I want to go check out the latest weapons where they down. Like new guns and the rest of them.
See, that one good well.
Yeah,
They talk. See, I beg, let me tell this your guy. If I slap him, he go talk. You hear me? I will slap him now that he deaf and dumb, go turn to shout and praise. And the Chris, tell me keep quiet if he mad. See, make a clear your doubts. No see you in my blood. See, street war don't go another level. We know they use gun again. Now bomb, they conquer now. So what I go lie me you do be say that Liberia where they go wherever, maybe buy bomb. If you bring like 1 container of bombs, entire will dominate now. You understand? Will dominate.
Baba, I should tell you. May not be like say I like quarrel pass fight. You get 1 cutlass where they take great effect. Now stainless they call them.
God go bless you. I know the cutlass where they talk. That cutlass will be say before you touch your head, go don't come out. You see this cutlass. Now they use for Star Wars now. If we get like 4 of that cutlass, now 24 heads in advance, and now conceal, we still get luck. Because as we they cut head, we they sell head, they bury the body. Inside the wall, we they make money. My business.
You guys go escort me, go park, me and my woman. The road we want run.
Road. What happened to plane? Why your wife no want fly?
She has phobia for flight. She don't fly. So the road we go run for safety.
But Baba Ma still asks you, me no still be like say person like where pass fight, eh? This your woman now, you sure say she could face the West African rough road?
She is a strong, street woman.
Why you talk like this? Like that we kidnap people with the construct road. As that time you know say they fit construct road from here to Ore under 15 minutes. Road go come out. We better slap her.
She go run for safety.
Baby, can I see you for a moment?
Right behind you, sugar.
See, I like me tell this of them. When they're born, man, they're doing naming ceremony.
My number one, no verse. So this guy and Ambroba, when they talk, when they hear, I don't even pity for the guy. If police catch him, want to explain himself, they go still leave him. No, sir, I'm federal government property, you're free.
See, you know, no leave the year, tell him. If I slap him, it's even deaf and dumb, he go turn to shout and praise, he go start to the talk. You no need pastor to heal him, I feel heal him. Tell him.
Who could this be? There is turning fire.
Ah, man, happy star. No. No good, watch out. Watch out. Baba, watch out. Watch out, Are you okay?
Baby, I thought you said you don't want anybody to know about our plans.
Yeah, I said so.
But you were telling your guys about our plans.
Because they are a part of me. We need them. No matter what or where I go, I need protection. They will even escort us to the park and be on guard, so I need them. Okay?
Baby, I'm scared.
You don't need to be. Baby, are you okay?
Baby, I thought you said you don't want anybody to know about our plans.
Yeah, I said so.
But you were telling your guys about our plans.
Because they are a part of me. We need them. No matter what or where I go, I need protection. They will even escort us to the park and be on guard, so I need them. Okay?
Baby, I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared, okay? Don't forget the book of Baby. Baby Black, chapter 10, verse 10. Take it as you say it. What did I say?
Take it as you say it.
Give me some sugar. Go to sleep.
Alright.
Boss. Baba. I swear, I don't understand this guy movement too.
What's it make you reason like that?
Baba, you sure say this guy know the try ball out on us?
God will punish you. Jesse, God will punish you. You want me to do your bookkeeping this afternoon? You mad? Now your boss, now you call this guy. You the Chris? Now don't you have your mouth again, no? Be black, now you call this guy your boss. Keep quiet! Listen, my clear out too. Nobody the bill go anywhere. Why you go bagger? What do you want to make a bagger? We know the bagger for our family.
Pardon my stupidity.
Better.
Baba, check am now. You know sure say get waiting boss know they tell me and you. We consign this in gear movement. Baba, you reason am now. Baba, okay, now make I bust your brain. Now check am. You don't see where person they leave heaven, they go fire. Boss no say normal Ghana here now 1 hour 30 minutes on air. Why you choose to go by road? Why you not go by air? Boss reason this thing now, reason now.
I see. Myself, I don't reason now. But the truth be saying, no be the problem. And didn't give us good reason. He saying wife no fit fly now. What do you want make it do? He go use road now. Eh?
Baba, I make it for no be like say I know echo. I make it no be like say I know echo. Because Baba like this why I did so I dey smell something. And what I dey smell? They smell rat.
God will punish you. God will punish you. If you like make you smell elephant. See guy, you better say don't turn your allow to allowance. You dey craze? You don't even talk about it. Be black. You know what be black do to me? You don't forget. You don't forget be black na my family. My cousin, the same blood wey dey run for big black body, now dey run for my body too. Guy, make it focus. I need to remind you. Now me you dey forget who I be? Me, Black Mamba. 7 seconds to kill, 7 seconds to resurrect. See my clear your doubts. See, if be black with my cousin, try rubbish. Me, Black Mamba, I go invoke the first creed of the brotherhood. Guys, stay focused now. You know what snap picture? Focus!
Boss, no vex, no vex. No vex, but I make it for be like say, may no be like say I no echo. No understand, boss. But one thing I want to tell you be say, make you remember say na blood in.
Blood out! That the matter be that. You understand? Now see that what make you stupid down. Wanna relax, wanna focus. Nobody they bail on anybody. I need to remind you. Now me now, you don't forget. You want snap picture? Guy, focus. Focus.
God. Oh, but when you dey when God dey share voice? No, tell me, when you dey when God dey share voice? Okay, fine. Now money matter with the reason. Now, boss, you listen now. Boss go collect your own. Oga go collect, me go collect, then you go collect your small thing. Pay the Lucy front.
Why you dey ask that kind of question? You dey ask that kind of question. When God dey share everything, you choose belle now instead of voice. Now make I dey eat food anyhow. I no see him belle. Mama dey tell me say na me go kill this guy, but I never know when. Tell her me behave, oh. Me behave.
They go bring her, come on this dog chair, man, no the one will be your problem. Come on this thing.
What is it?
Mama!
Eh?
Dave!
Dave! Dave!
Dave!
Dave! What happened to Dave?
Dave has been shot!
Shot! Who shot him? Who shot him? Oh, by who?
Mama!
Who?
I don't know!
Brotherly, I need you to do me a good favor. It's all about Popsy, Daddy now, my father.
Yeah. So, any progress news about his health?
No good news, but look at the point here. Now that I'll be out for a while, I need you to do me this favor. Once in a while, visit him, show him love, buy him things.
Come on, stop that now. You're my brother, man. You're my cousin, man. You're my family, you know. Understand? He's my dad too. You know he's always happy anytime he sees me around, you know. I'll take good care of him. He's my dad also. I'll do that.
Secondly, the street. Lock him down. And no one here say they should bear the mama fly. Anybody will no agree for them. As I log out, made them know say I no day. As it happen when I day, make you still day like that. For safety now.
Now maybe Black Mamba.
For safety.
You go hear breaking news. For
safety. For safety. For safety.
You go hear breaking news when you come. Then I minor Popsy's one. I will handle Popsy's case. No problem about that. Then the street, you go hear breaking news now. Okay. They go focus now. They don't want to snap picture. And they might collect food for kitchen.
Let me run and get a car so we take him to the hospital.
Father, we father, dear father. What's up? Yeah, anyway, I just want to let you know that I'll be arriving from Cotonou tomorrow morning.
Oh, is that where you are now? You've toured West African coast.
Of course. It's all about hustling, man.
I will be looking forward to seeing you.
Yeah, I know that. Tomorrow the big boss will arrive. And all those motherfucking Blackwood boys will enter their holes.
Okay. I will dispatch information or signal to the boys.
Yeah. Let everyone know. Just upgrade and update. Okay?
I will do my best.
Yeah. So how far now? How you doing? How's your body?
I'm getting better now. The bullet grazed my shoulder.
It's alright. Just take care, man. You're a soldier. Keep standing firm, alright? I'll see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Now maybe the father will
Bye.
Happy Easter.
Mother, I've told you there's no way we will treat him without a police report.
Doctor, please! I beg you! Pico! Save my life by saving the life of my son! Please!
Doctor, please treat this boy for us. Doctor, please.
I don't think you people are understanding me. Do you know the gravity of what you're telling me to do? To treat a bullet wound without police reports in this part of the world?
Oh my God!
The government will just shut us down. I don't know what to do. My hands are tied. I want to help, but I can't.
Doctor! Please! You're a woman like me. Do you have a child? Do you have an only son? If you do, doctor, will you leave him in this condition because of police report? This is a matter of life and death. Please, doctors are meant to save lives. I beg you, Pico, save my only son. He's my caretaker. He's my provider. He's my husband. He's all I have. Pico, doctor, please help me. Help me. Chineke boy. Pico. Pico. Doctor, our police report. No problem. I'll go and get it. Please. When my son wakes up, tell him I've got to get his report. Please, doctor, I'll be back.
Mama, wait. Wait, let me go and get the report. Mama. Mama!
You people better hurry up because he's in a critical condition.
Doctor, please now. Doctor!
Dave, please wake up. Dave, please wake up. I'm here, please. Dave, please wake up. Dave, please wake up, baby, please. Dave, please wake up. Dave, please wake up, baby, please wake up, please.
An angel, we're gonna miss you like seriously, girl.
I'll miss you guys too.
She never told you now.
Yes, I also return, so you guys should not miss me too much.
Angel, just be very, very careful, okay?
Okay.
Be careful over there.
Wait a minute, guys. I think we've been followed though.
Sure. Yes!
I can see a cops telling us things time to time. And it's still coming after us. Like the Vanguard crew.
Or even the cops.
Oh my god. What do we do now?
Don't look back, eh? Just speed off. Don't look back, don't look back.
Very black. Do we stop and fight? What?
No. What's involved?
Well, I know it's sweetness.
Guy, park the car. Park the car. Let you want to play up. Park the car. See the car don't come. Self. Don't come.
Now over there the now over there the cow. This man I win too.
I beg you to go where you go. This guy high blood pressure. This one.
I will just kill woman now. For no reason, I will just kill the woman. Much.
Yeah, hello?
What?
What do you have?
The Vanguard crew have attacked our supply. Again?
Guys, what do you have? I don't fit follow and I go back. You're gonna fall in there. Total clean up. You know what I talk? Total clean up. From their head to their last. Call me, update me. Make me and my group know. Make we leave now for here. No bro, nothing to us. Okay, no problem, eh? Have a safe trip, eh? No wahala now. Dollar, more bounce. Total clean up. All you update me on that.
Baby, what?
Hey, stop there! Stop!
Sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
You bloody scumbag. What the fuck are you doing with my sister? Ewawa. Moon play, in case you don't understand. I can see you're high on cheap drugs. Who the hell is your sis here? Oh, I see. You don't even know the background of the girl you're banging, right? You don't? Huh? Angel, do you know this fool?
Yes. He's my half-brother I've been telling you about.
Oh yeah? Yeah. You surprised? I thought you said he's now a repented businessman.
That is what he made everyone in the family believe.
Yes! That's what I made everybody in the family believe. I'm a businessman. And part of my business is to make sure that you go to your grave, you scumbag. Okay now.
Arinze. So you left Port Harcourt and came to Lagos to continue your bad boy—
Shut the fuck up! One more word from you, I swear to God, I'll send you to hell. You try to judge me? Don't you know who the fuck you're with? Don't you know he's better than I am? He's a badass motherfucker, don't you know? Cadillac or Cardinal, I don't even like your name. Don't forget, BB 10 verse 10. Take it as you say it. Nepa. Shit! Take it as you see it! Take it as you see it! What are you doing today?
Trying to back you up.
Where do you learn that from?
The street made us.
That could be dangerous.
I know.
Don't move an inch.
Okay.
I repeat, don't move an inch.
Okay.
Take it as you see it! Take it! Take it as you see it!
BB 10 verse 10. Take it as you see it. Take it.
Take it! Take it! Take it! Shit! Oh shit! Angela! Oh shit! Shit! Angela! 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 Angela!
Angel! No! I want to take it as I see it!
Where is my son?
You beast! You devil of a beast! You confess! You caused all the bad luck in my life. I hate you!
Will you just calm down?
It's your fault!
Can you just stop this?
I can't! Look at you! You're the reason why my son is lying in that position! Even if you hate me, do you have to bring it to your son?
Listen, this is not the right place for this, okay?
You are the reason why my son is in that position! Even if you hate me, you have to bring your parents into the family now!
Please be calm. There are some patients in the room, ma. Please, ma. Please.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
Please.
I'm hurting.
Nurse, I want to see my son. Where is he?
He's in the ward, the second room by the left, sir.
Thank you.
You fool. He destroyed my life. He destroyed the life of my son. Good forgotten fool. That's what you are, mother. That is what you are.
It's okay. Please be calm.
I won't talk again.
For God's sake.
I won't talk again. Okay.
Your son asked me to give you this. He said your message is on the voice recorder file. But let me warn you, if anything happens to my son, don't be ready to deal with me. Be ready to fight me, because this town will not contain the two of us. The better way of being fast, do it fast. Because if anything whatsoever happens to him, Anyway, let me reserve my comments. You good for nothing man.
When did he give you this?
What's the message on that phone?
You won't understand.
Exactly. You see? You see? That's exactly what David tells me whenever I question his moves.